This is room 12197, a Central Park infinite balcony on Star of the Seas. And today we're going to show you exactly what you get and whether this room is actually worth booking. This is one of the most talked about cabin categories on the ship, but does it feel like a real balcony? Let's take a look. Alright guys, so this is room 12197 on Star of the Seas. It's a infinite Central Park balcony. So you got a nice little couch over here. Got our desk over here. They've already got some paperwork out. Here's our tickets for our excursions. Let's see, you can do laundry if you need laundry done. They've got all the shows listed on a calendar there. That's nice. Specials that they have on board, specialty dining, retail, stuff like that. You've got plenty of plugs. You got a USB, a USB-C. You got the European style, which if you're a cruiser, you can get one of the adapters to plug in there and make it a regular outlet. Over here we've got the bed, nice king size bed. Another USB outlet next to the bed. Makes charging your phone pretty easy. Some little shelves for storage here on the back side of this. That's nice. Good sized TV for the room. And then over here, let's see. You got a power plug and a USB on this side. Lucky you. All right. And then you got a nice little sitting area. This is technically an extension of the room, but it is also a balcony. Tiffany, you want to do the honors and make it a balcony? And there we go. So now this top window comes down.
Oh, I gotta wait.
And now we got our balcony. So if we come over here, you can see right down into Central Park. There we go. Beautiful view of Central Park. And the nice thing, if you have a day like today where it's cold, you can put it back up. And it closes any of the wind and stuff like that out, plus any of the noise. Like right now, you can hear with it open, you can hear music coming up from the upper decks and stuff like that. But with it closed, it is pretty well soundproof in here. You don't really hear anything. There you go.
Voila.
So what do you think of that?
I like it.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. It's a
It's
little
interesting.
scary for me though.
Why? Because of the height thing?
Yeah.
I don't think it's any scarier than a regular balcony that we usually get.
That I don't go out on.
No. Anyway, this is nice because even with the window up, you can come sit here and people watch. So it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Then another feature it has. Do you want to go do the honors for that?
What is this?
That might be for it. You can try that. And then here's the other feature. So you've got this automatic blind that will come down, and it's literally a blackout blind. So if you had this down, let it go and press it again.
I do.
There you go. If you put that all the way down and turn off all the lights, it is dark in this room. So
Pitch dark.
if you're one of those people that needs total darkness to sleep in,
This is the room for you.
yeah, that blind will make it happen. You can go ahead and put that back up. And then you also have curtains over here. So you can also let these curtains
Oh, you don't
down.
gotta hold it to go back up.
You can also
so-
let these curtains, and that'll close off the balcony part. So even if you have that blind open, you could shut these curtains and you still have like two separate areas. So that's kind of cool. Really cool. So I love this storage on the side here. And there's, oh, did you see that? Down here on this storage, there's actually a USB and a USB-C.
Okay.
Okay, another charging area. Then over here you've got some storage baskets for shoes, whatnot. Got our closet there. And then the other side over here, it's a good sized closet.
Nice closet.
Yeah. Is that the safe? Where's the safe?
No.
Okay. I don't know what that is, but okay. Then you got
Probably one of
drawers.
these cabinets or something over here.
Yeah, there's our fridge. And plenty of drawer space. Yeah, you got your breakfast menu there. If you want to order breakfast in the room. Hair dryer. A lot of drawer space.
Just a few empty drawers.
Yep. And then what's cool too is you have this right now, our water that they just delivered is sitting on it. Star of the Seas, what is that?
Star of the Seas.
Oh, it's a book about the ship.
Yep.
Oh, talks about the stars, constellations.
The stars. Yep. So
Well, that's pretty cool.
the making of the art program.
Oh, wow. All right. So right here where our water, that's a little desk. So if you wanted to sit on the couch and pull that over, you could use it as a desk or maybe something to eat on. Plenty of lighting. I love the lighting around the mirrors. Makes it nice. And the cool thing is, with the lighting, you can come over to this panel and everything's touchscreen. So we can dim the lights to like midway. You see, I dimmed all the lighting. And if we come back over here and we hit this button, that turns all the lights off. Okay, now all the lights are off. And we'll turn them back on. So there you go. Now all the lights are back on. And the cool thing too is it has different modes. So it's got a morning mode, a movie mode, an evening mode, and a sleep mode. Let's see what sleep mode looks like. Oh wow.
Okay.
So sleep mode turns off the lights like super dim and then closes the blind halfway. I think something's binding it, yeah. So let's try that again. There we go. Hit sleep again, now it's going the rest of the way down. So it literally makes it dark in here and then leaves the
Dimmers.
the two little lamps next to the bed just dim. That's pretty cool. So then if we hit morning, we'll go over back over here, let's hit morning. There we go. And all your lights come back on and your blinds go up. Okay, that's pretty impressive. I like that. So let's check out the bathroom. All right, we got good sized little bathroom. Some storage shelves there. You got your standard cruise toilet. Nice sink over here with some more storage shelves. What's this? Just a pull-out drawer. Okay. All right. And the shower's good size. You want to step in there and show them how big the shower is?
Yeah, the showers.
Oh, that's an interesting door design.
It is. The shower's a nice size.
Does it have a bench
Yeah,
or anything in there?
It does.
Oh, really?
It has a bench you can sit on.
Okay. Wow, so it does have a bench.
And
Nice.
then it has a towel rack inside, so
Yep.
you don't have to open the door.
And towel hangers right there too.
Mhm.
Okay. Little grab bar. Yeah, this is nice. It's a good size. And you got outlets here in the bathroom. Okay, that's good. Nice. All right, so the next question is the bed. All right, Tiffany's gonna test the bed to see how comfortable it is. Let's go. All right, how's it feel?
It feels a little firm.
A little firm? Okay.
Yeah, but
Something you think we'll be able to sleep on?
yes, I do.
All right, guys, so that is the room. I forgot to show you guys some nice little artwork there behind the couch. And so that's the room. We'll be heading out here shortly and exploring more of the ship. What are your first impressions, hon?
The room is nice and roomy. I like it. I like the view of Central Park. I've always wanted to try one of those rooms. So, and the bathroom.
You like the bathroom?
It's spacious. It's not. You don't feel so closed in.
Well, I think the one thing you were suggesting too is you think those chairs should swivel. They should have swivel chairs there. So
yeah,
that's an interesting take, but we'll see how things go for the next 7 days. But so far, I'm very impressed. I love it. So we'll see you guys. We'll be heading out of the room shortly and going around and exploring the ship. So while we were doing the room tour, we were looking for the safe, and I happened to find it. This mirror actually opens up, and you've got your safe and more shelf space behind the mirror. I thought that was pretty cool.